Do you know ChatGPT is continuously saving your data and training their bots? Keep in mind, whatever you search on ChatGPT, that is recorded and saved in your history and can be used for any future search, or ChatGPT also can use that data wherever they want. But how you can stop them? Yes, in today's video, we're gonna let you know. I'm going from how to do it. Let's begin the video. First of all, I'm gonna let you know on the mobile phone and computer on both. Don't worry about anything. I am opened ChatGPT. You can check out history is available over here. So if you don't want that ChatGPT save your history, just click on this turn on temporary chat and check out. This won't appear in your chat history and won't be used to train our models. Understood? Now you search whatever you want to search. On mobile phones, just click on this tab, that is temporary tab, no history recorded. Click on this if you want to save the history, and again click on this if you want to save the history. Hope you understood and like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more video like this.